Still spending too much time manually updating your semantic models in Power BI? Microsoft has introduced Copilot in web modeling, Preview, an AI-powered assistant that helps you analyze, refine, and enhance semantic models using natural language, reducing the effort required for manual model maintenance. Here's what you need to know. Accelerate model development with Copilot. Copilot is built directly into the model authoring experience, enabling you to explore and improve your semantic models through conversation. Whether you're standardizing naming conventions, creating measures, or refining model structure, Copilot can recommend changes and apply updates for you. Powerful model management capabilities. Copilot can analyze your model and identify opportunities for improvement, including inconsistent naming, unclear structures, and optimization opportunities. It can also perform schema updates, such as renaming tables and columns, creating relationships, and generating DAX measures. Designed for security and oversight, Copilot respects existing Power BI permissions, allowing admins, members, and contributors to make updates to the active model. Before any analysis or changes are performed, you'll be asked to grant permission. Automatic restore checkpoints are also created, making it easy to roll back changes using semantic model version history. Getting started. Open a semantic model in Model View within the Power BI service. Switch to Edit mode and select Copilot from the ribbon. From there, you can use suggested prompts or ask your own questions to analyze and improve your model. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.